Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Practical Spoken English by RBS. Friends, in the last video we learned how to speak English in an interview. That means how we can face an interview in English. In the last video I spoke very slowly so that you as a learner of spoken English can easily follow me and understand me. I didn't speak Hindi. This is very important because if I speak very fast, for a person who is learning spoken English will have great difficulty in understanding and following the same. Therefore, initially I have to speak with a slow speed. Gradually we can speak with a fast speed. Now friends, in this video we are going to learn how to improve our English by reading an English newspaper. इस वीडियो में हम ये सीखने जा रहे हैं कि हम अपनी बोलचाल की अंग्रेजी अखबार पढ़कर कैसे सुधार सकते हैं. In the first video, learning video of this channel, I had told you that we need to read 15 to 20 minutes every day any English magazine or English newspaper daily, so that we can improve our spoken English. There are two parts of this reading newspaper. First is we have to read it clearly and loudly for 15 minutes or so. The second part is that while reading newspaper we should underline the words, the meaning of which we don't know, and after our reading is over we can note down the vocabulary or the meanings of those words and memorize them for future use. Now let us come to the real exercise. Dear friends, I am not going to read the physical form of newspaper. Rather, I am going to read a newspaper, Times of India, just one or two paragraphs on mobile itself, and let us see how we can do the practice and improve our English. Let us see. Friends, let us start the newspaper reading on the mobile itself. I am going to read the newspaper from the app of Times of India, already downloaded and on my mobile. This is Times of India. The big news on the Times of India is, you can see, Bharat Bandh paralyzes Punjab. Let us open this. Bharat Bandh paralyzes Punjab, has limited impact elsewhere. This is how you have to read loudly. Farm groups in Punjab, which have been at the forefront of the struggle against the central farm laws, brought the state to near a standstill on Monday as the Bharat Bandh paralyzed rail and road traffic, and business establishments were shut in all towns and cities. While the impact was less severe in Haryana, the western part of Uttar Pradesh saw some toll plazas being blocked and trains cancelled due to protests on the tracks. This is how loudly you have to read the newspaper. Initially, you have not to understand the meaning. You have simply to read the words in the sentences and pause wherever there is a comma or there is a full stop while reading. Let us read this paragraph again. Farm groups in Punjab, which have been at the forefront of the struggle against the central farm laws, brought the state to near a standstill on Monday as the Bharat Bandh paralyzed rail and road traffic, and business establishments were shut in all towns and cities. While the impact was less severe in Haryana, the western part of Uttar Pradesh saw some toll plazas being blocked and trains cancelled due to protests on tracks. While reading the newspaper, friends, we should, if there is a long sentence, we should speak in parts so that every part has a particular meaning. For example, farm groups in Punjab, it has a meaning that the farmers groups in Punjab, which have been at the forefront, that is another part of the big sentence, means which have been at the forefront. That means the farmer groups which are in the first row of the struggle, which have been at the forefront, means first, in the first row of any movement, which have been at the forefront of the struggle against the central farm laws. This is another part of the long sentence, means against the central farm laws. That means the farm laws of the central government, against them, those groups in Punjab brought the state to near a standstill. Brought the state to near a standstill on Monday. This you have to read together so that it looks beautiful and you can understand. Brought the state to near a standstill on Monday as the Bharat Bandh paralyzed rail and road traffic. This is another part of the long sentence. And then you can further read. And business establishments were shut in all towns and cities. While the impact was less severe in Haryana, the western part of Uttar Pradesh saw some toll plazas being blocked and trains cancelled due to protests on tracks. Now we can see, friends, there are certain words the meaning of which you may not be knowing. Therefore, you have to note down those words in your notebook and find out their meaning from the app downloaded from Play Store of your mobile, Android mobile, which I had discussed in my previous video, and that app is English to English Dictionary, and it is very easy to find out the meaning of any word through that app. Here we can see that farm groups in Punjab which have been at the forefront. Forefront means सबसे आगे of the struggle. Struggle means संघर्ष. संघर्ष में सबसे आगे किसके खिलाफ? Against the central farm laws. फार्मिंग से बना है फार्म लॉज. द लॉज पर्टेनिंग टू मतलब वो कानून जो फार्मिंग से यानी खेती से जुड़े हुए हैं सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के, उसके खिलाफ जो स्ट्रगल है. फोर फ्रंट मतलब उसमें जो सबसे आगे फार्म ग्रुप्स हैं. ब्रॉट द स्टेट टू नियर स्टैंड स्टिल, यानी स्टैंड स्टिल का मतलब है कि बिल्कुल रुक जाना, ठहरा देना. यानी उन्होंने राज्य को करीब करीब उसकी सारी गतिविधि को रोक दिया. ब्रॉट द स्टेट टू नियर स्टैंड स्टिल ऑन मंडे एज द भारत बंद पैरालाइज्ड. पैरालाइज का मतलब लकवाग्रस्त कर देना. पैरालाइज्ड का मतलब उन्होंने लकवाग्रस्त कर दिया, यानी बिल्कुल ही बेजान कर दिया रेल एंड रोड ट्रैफिक. एंड बिजनेस एस्टेब्लिशमेंट्स यानी जो बिजनेस के एस्टेब्लिशमेंट्स थे, संस्थान थे, वेयर शट इन ऑल टाउन्स. शट वेयर शट मतलब बंद थे. इन ऑल टाउन्स एंड सिटीज सभी शहरों में बिजनेस संस्थान बंद थे. वाइल द इम्पैक्ट वाज लेस, इम्पैक्ट का मतलब प्रभाव, वाज लेस सेवियर इन हरियाणा यानी जब यद्यपि कि जबकि आप कह सकते हैं द इम्पैक्ट वाज लेस यानी लेस सेवियर इन हरियाणा. हरियाणा में इसका प्रभाव कम था. सेवियर मतलब लेस सेवियर मतलब कम प्रभाव, कम. सेवियरिटी मतलब तेज होना और लेस सेवियर मतलब कम तेज. द वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश यानी वेस्टर्न का वेस्ट से वेस्टर्न बना है कि पश्चिमी क्षेत्र उत्तर प्रदेश का सॉ सम टोल प्लाजाज बीइंग ब्लॉक्ड यानी ने देखा कि कुछ टोल प्लाजा ब्लॉक किए गए. एंड ट्रेन्स कैंसिल्ड और ट्रेनों को कैंसिल किया गया. ड्यू टू प्रोटेस्ट ऑन ट्रैक्स. ड्यू टू का मतलब के कारण, प्रोटेस्ट यानी विरोध, ऑन ट्रैक्स यानी रेलवे ट्रैक के ऊपर जो विरोध किया गया उसके चलते ट्रेन कैंसिल किए गए और कुछ टोल प्लाजा भी ब्लॉक किए गए वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश में यानी उत्तर प्रदेश के पश्चिमी क्षेत्र में. इस तरीके से आप कोई भी वर्ड का अगर मीनिंग पता नहीं है तो इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी डाउनलोड करके आप उसमें टाइप करके वो वर्ड उसकी मीनिंग जान सकते हैं और अपने वोकेबुलरी को भी मजबूत बना सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों लास्ट टाइम इसी पैराग्राफ को फिर हम पढ़ के बताते हैं। हाउ यू हैव टू रीड टू, ये बोलना इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि आपकी ज़ुबान खुलेगी और आप शब्दों का उच्चारण करना सीख जाएंगे, और जब बोलचाल की अंग्रेजी में आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना होगा तो आपके लिए बहुत आसानी होगी। आप लटपटाएंगे नहीं, आप घबराएंगे नहीं और आपको कोई मुश्किल नहीं होगी। तो लेट अस रीड दिस लास्ट टाइम। दिस इज लाइक दिस। Farm groups in Punjab, which have been at the forefront of the struggle against the central farm laws, brought the state to near a standstill on Monday as the Bharat Bandh paralyzed rail and road traffic, and business establishments were shut in all towns and cities. While the impact was less severe in Haryana, the western part of Uttar Pradesh saw some toll plazas being blocked and trains cancelled due to protests on tracks. Likewise, friends, you have to read any English newspaper either in physical form or on mobile itself for about 15 to 20 minutes daily to improve your spoken English. Thank you. Then friends, you saw how we could read an English newspaper and improve our spoken English. If you liked my video, please do like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button, and you may share the video with your friends also, so that they are also benefited. Thank you for seeing this video. See you in the next video soon.